This candy that is popular in the Philippines is made only with 3 ingredients. Yema is a type of custard candy made from condensed milk and egg yolk. This is a common Filipino dessert and one of the easiest to make. There are several ways to present this dessert, and for today, we're going to roll the mixture until the shape becomes spherical and roll it in a sugar. So please keep on watching, sweetheart, and try this soft Yema Ball recipe. Yema is a type of Filipino candy named after the Spanish term for egg yolk. A very quick and easy to make sweet treat that is perfect to give away to your friends and loved ones. Whether you decide to make this for yourself or to make more as a present for these holidays, this 3-ingredient homemade Yema recipe that is rich and delicious will make you taste heaven.
Easy as pie, lemon, apple, or cherry. Loving you is so very sweet, sweet, sweet. How can it be such a piece of cake? And your smile is the icing. Loving you is a party. It's sweet, sweet, sweet. How can it be? And you make my candy coated heart melt. When you take my hand and I am under your spell. Baby, I crave your affection. When I stepped in sweet confection, honey, you're my sugar. I'm pleased as punch, whether spiked or sparkling. You make me tipsy and bubbly. If you're dessert, I want the last course first. Oh, how I love all your candy kisses, and I'm addicted. Oh, 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 I can't have just one. No, you make my candy coated heart melt. When you take my hand, then I am under your spell. Oh, and you make my candy coated heart race. When you take my hand and we go stargaze. Baby, I crave your affection. When I stepped in sweet confection, honey, you're my sugar. Baby, I crave your affection. When I stepped in sweet confection, honey, you're my sugar. Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Tested by the motion. Loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time. Taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights. I've got to run this show. You always take me so high. You always make
So there you have it, sweetheart, a creamy, delicious, rich flavor Yema Balls candy. This sweet delight will surely make your holiday extra special. Whether you make this as a treat for yourself or a gift to your loved ones, I am surely this will satisfy your cravings. I hope you can try this recipe, sweetheart, and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll hope to see you on my next sweet adventure.